Hello and welcome to 3720 Harrogate Road here in Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a fully fenced in backyard. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now entering the backyard. Pretty good sized backyard. And then you have your patio right here that leads into the dining room portion of the home. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your hardwood flooring right here off of the foyer. And then straight ahead, you have your formal living room and also your formal dining room towards the end of the kitchen, but we'll get to that in one moment. Here to the right, you have your family room right here. And it is carpeted, and you have 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood. And also additional shelving right here. And that door right there is some closet space. And we're going to make a right and go back through the formal living room. To the right, you have your kitchen. I also have an eat-in area down there, but before we finish looking at the kitchen, we're going to turn right here to the right, and here is the formal dining room. And you have your hardwoods right here, and here is the rest of the kitchen. Nice style for the countertops. You have a granite countertops, and then you have your stainless steel appliances. You have your dishwasher right here. Also your stainless steel refrigerator and stove. And here's the eat-in portion of the kitchen. And right to the right, you have your living room. You have your steps that go down right here. Actually a fairly large living room. You have your dual fans right here, and also that door leads to the driveway of the home. And also you have a window right here to the side as well. So you have 2 entrances to the backyard. You have this side, the left side, and the right side of the home. And this door right here is actually the laundry room. All right, we're going to make our way back through here. And that door leads to the back patio that I mentioned earlier in the video from the backyard. And down the hall is where you have all your bedrooms and your bathroom right here to the right. Very nice stand-up shower and unique style flooring, as well as the tub. All right, to the left you have bedroom number 1. You have a double entry closet right here. Also, it is carpeted, And then you also have 2 windows that look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. And we're going to come out of here into the left one more time. Here is bedroom number 2. Right here you have your ceiling fan as well. This window looks out to the side of the home, and then you also have your closet right here as well. And also a good thing as well is that all bedrooms have ceiling fans. And straight across you have the master bedroom. Pretty good size for a master bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right there. Also 2 windows that look out into the backyard of the neighborhood. And it is carpeted in here as well. And you have your closet right here. And straight forward you have your master bathroom. You have your single vanity right here. Also with some additional space on the side. And then you have your linen closet right there. And here you have your stand-up shower. Alright, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 3720 Harrogate Road here in Columbia. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.